Welcome students to class 8th. Today we'll continue with our grammar part, unit 3, past tense, or in other words we can say past time. What is the meaning of past tense? Firstly, we must know that past tense, it is a part of a verb. What are the other two part of the verbs that means verb has three tenses. What are they? Past, present and future. Present tense we had already completed. Next is the past tense. In this chapter you will be understanding about the past tense. In the previous chapter we had gone through the present tense. For a short revision, I'll tell you the definition of present tense. For what present tense is used? Present tense is used to describe things that is happening right now or things that are continuous. That is the use for present tense. But today in this chapter you will be understanding about the past tense. So past tense, it is used to describe thing that has already happened. In that case we are using past tense. Now read the definition given in your textbook. Past tense expresses an action that has taken place or a state that existed earlier. So the thing that has happened already happened. In that case we are using past tense. It is a grammatical tense whose principal function is to place an action or situation in past time. So the past tense expresses action that has occurred or the state that existed previously. That is the meaning of past tense. Now what are the types of past tense? It is categorized in 4 types. What are they? Simple past, past perfect continuous, past continuous and past perfect continuous. These are the 4 types of past tense. I'll explain you one by one. First one is the simple past. Action took place in the past, mostly connected with an expression of time. This is the use of simple past. That means the tense can be used to denote an action that took place in the past and has been completely finished. Okay, it is usually formed using the past participle form of the base verb. So what is the example given in your book? That is, I played in the afternoon. Another example I can also give you, like I washed cars for 3 years. It is a simple past. Next is a past continuous. What do you mean by past continuous? It is an action happened in the middle of another action. Someone was doing something at the certain time in the past, but there is no indication about its completion. What is the example? I was singing when mother put rice in the cooker. So what does the meaning of past continuous? That means this tense is used to describe an action that went on for some time in the past. Okay? This tense is usually used when the action concerned was in progress during another action happened in the past. The example is, I was singing when mother put rice in the cooker. Another example also I can give, like I was learning my lesson. Okay? Or another example I can give, like at 6 p.m. yesterday I was learning a chapter. So this can also be an example of past continuous. Next one is past perfect tense. So past perfect means when two actions in a story are related to each other. Past form of present perfect. Example is, I had taken the books out when the teacher entered the room. That means this tense describes an action which has definitely ended in the past. It denotes an action completed at some point in the past, as before the another action started. As written when two actions in a story are related to each other. it generally compares to action, okay, that took place in different time period, okay. That is the past perfect. That is the meaning of past perfect. Example is also given. I had taken the books out when the teacher entered the room. Another example is like, for example, one girl named she had left the party when the delegation arrived. This is again the example. Another example, like the ceremony had begun way before we arrived. This is a good example, okay. It is an example of past perfect. Then last one is past perfect continuous. So how long something has been happening before something else happened. That is the use of past perfect continuous. That means this tense describes action that began at a particular point of time in the past and continued for a specific length of time up to the another moment in the past. Did you understand? It begins at a particular point of time in the past and it continues for specific length of time, okay. For example, another example what I can take, like I have been reading the book since 9 in the morning. This can also be the example of. So students, with this our definition of past tense is clear and all the types are also clear. Now let's go through the exercise. Now let's go through the exercise part also. First one is filling the blanks with simple past or past continuous form of the verb in brackets. So first is, the boys were talking to each other when Rahul came into the room. In this you have to put the right one in the right place, like simple past. You have to use simple past and past continuous. So how can you use talk and come in the first one? The boys were talking to each other. That means you used past continuous form here. The boys were talking to each other when Rahul came into the room. In second one you used the simple past. Likewise you have to complete the whole exercise. It is very easy exercise. You can ask me for any doubts. Read the second one also. Rahul dash cricket when the ball dash him. So you have to use here play and hit. How you will be using? The Rahul was playing. Here you used past continuous form. And in the second one, when the ball hit him, then here you used simple past. It is very easy exercise. Just you complete it. The next is the fill in the blanks with the appropriate past form of the verb in brackets. Here you have to use all the past form, means any four can be used here. Past simple past, past perfect continuous and past continuous. All the four forms can be used here. You have to put the appropriate one. Lord Ching said, I was playing billiards at the club with my friends. I got to the club by 3 p.m. and didn't leave until 6. You can ask the staff there. Master Ching said, I was out too. I was flying kites in the park with my friends. I left the park only when Auntie called to share the news at 5 p.m. I came over right away. The cook said, I was decorating a cake in the kitchen. It took me several hours to make the rose petal ruffle around the cake. It is ready now. The driver said, our car had a flat tires yesterday. I was repairing the punctured tire in the garage. It is fixed now. So in this you have to use the appropriate past form. Next is the extension. Fill in the blanks with simple past or present perfect tense of the verb given in the bracket. Use negative forms where not is given. The first one has done for you. This is also an easy exercise. In this you have to put the simple past and present perfect tense. Don't forget what is written, present perfect tense, not the past perfect tense. You have to use either simple past or past perfect. So you can see the fourth one, it is a negative form. We have not taken a vacation in 6 years. You have to use take and not. So how you will be using it in a negative form? We have not taken a vacation in 6 years. All are easy. Either you have to use present perfect tense or you can use simple past. Just do it. In any confusion or doubt you can ask me. So students, our past tense is also completed. We'll continue with our next topic in the next video.